Okay, this is for the BYBIT exchange users. So we want to pick BYBIT. After picking on BYBIT, okay, pick BYBIT. Then you see where they say you should create, or you have a BYBIT account, you don't need to create. So you click on let's have it. So as you can see here, BYBIT UID hamster deposit. You go to your BYBIT app, then on your BYBIT app, you click on deposit, then you click on deposit crypto. Then you click on the search bar, capital letter HMS. Then you can see the hamster kombat has shown already. So you click on the hamster kombat. Then you click on chain type turn. That's the only option there. Click on turn. Then you're all good to go. Then you can see your wallet address, your tag, which also means memo. So you go back to your Telegram app. You copy the wallet address here. Copy, BYBIT. Copy, as you can see, copy successfully. Then back to your Telegram app. Then hamster deposit address. You paste on hamster deposit address. Then back to your BYBIT app. Then you copy your tag. Copy your tag. Make sure you're copying it correctly. Then I've copied successfully. Then back to your Telegram app. Then you click on memo. Then you paste. Then your BYBIT UID. That's the next step. Of course, you can start off from anywhere you like. So you go back to your profile page. Click on your profile. Then you can see down there main account UID. Blah 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 blah. You copy. You copy it successfully. Then you back to your Telegram app. Then you paste on BYBIT UID. And you make sure everything is correctly imputed. Then you click on save and choose. Click on save and choose. So, and you see it was successful. Well done, stay tuned with updates. Click on thanks. Then you're all good to go. As you can see, the BYBIT exchange has a green tick.